Simply connect to this website, search for some traffic, and start selling those books for big money. I did it. You can do the same. Hello guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you a way in which you can comment and earn $400 per hour. What's awesome about this method is that it doesn't require any fancy equipment, skill, or experience, and you can even start making money with this right now, right after finishing this video. Guys, this is an evergreen method, so it's guaranteed to work through all the upcoming years. It's very simple. All you have to do is simply make sure to watch the whole video so you won't miss out on any important information. So guys, make sure to stick around until the end and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe to the channel because we are regularly uploading new videos about how you can make money online. And now let's jump into the first step. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. So for the first step of our method today, I want you guys to connect to findaforum.net. So make sure you spell that one correctly. And as you can see right off the bat, these guys have been featured in YouTube, Entrepreneur, Quora. So this is a very popular website. And here people are looking for discussions, they share their opinions, and they've got plenty of categories. And right now, I want you to click on that and click on Browse All Categories. And as you can see, plenty of categories. There are hundreds of categories over here. You can choose whichever one you like. And guys, people here are making huge amount of money. They are using this same method that I'm going to show you, and they are getting rich. I'm using it as well, and you don't need to have any skill. You don't need to have any experience. And you can do this even on your smartphone, on your laptop. It doesn't matter because it's so beginner friendly and you're gonna love it. So for example, let's just click on this category over here. It's called dieting and weight loss. It's a very popular topic nowadays and we are gonna make use of it. And when you come here, you will see like 20 or something different forums, and all of these are very popular. And for example, let's just click on the first one, and we can see that this particular forum has 186,000 members. So that's great traffic source for us. As you can see, it has over 4 million posts, and all you need to do is click on the visit forum here, but we'll save that for later. Right now, we are moving on to the second step of our method. And the second step would be connecting to audible.com. And you know, Audible, it gives us the opportunity to listen to books. So if you don't have a time to read a book, you can just get one from Audible, put it in your phone, and you can listen to any book while you walk or something like that. But right now, I'm gonna show you how we can use Audible to make some serious amounts of cash. First thing, we should go to Google and Google for Audible affiliate and just click on the first link over here. And as you can see, this is their affiliate section, but don't worry, we're not going to sell anything. We're not going to need any skills for this. We're just gonna advertise some stuff. We're gonna drive traffic to it. That's why we went to search for some forums, and afterwards we're just gonna earn some sweet cash for us. And now all we have to do is click on the Become an Affiliate, and that will lead us to this simple form where you should make a free account on Amazon by entering in your email or mobile phone number and your password. Just be sure to enter in a valid email because they're going to send you a verification link or validation link, however you want to call it, and you need to click on that in order to get your account approved. And once you do that, they're gonna give you your unique affiliate link. And we're gonna use that link to make money. And right now, I'm gonna show you what kind of money can you get with this. As you can see, they've got their standard fee structure here. So we're gonna focus on this one, Audible free trial digital membership, and it's worth $5. So for example, if 100 people go through your affiliate link and they sign up for free trial, they don't have to buy anything, it's gonna be free trial. For every one of those, you're gonna earn $5. So for 100 people, for example, you're gonna get $5 each. And you don't need to do anything. Just grab this affiliate link and paste it on the traffic source which we have just covered. And as you saw, this particular forum has over 180,000 members. So if only 100 of them daily click on your link and sign up for free trial, you're gonna get $500. That's crazy amount of money. Imagine that you get that traffic every day. That would amount to $15,000 monthly. And you're not gonna do anything. You're just gonna invest your time, paste your link in these forums, and you're gonna get paid. And for the third step of our method today, I want you to connect to Google and you will type in best weight loss books. And for example, let's just choose this one, Mini Habits for Weight Loss, Stop Dieting. Just copy that into your clipboard. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna paste that here again and add Audible. As you can see, it gives us that already. And this is the result. This book right here is what you're gonna make a link for. So all you have to do now is click on it, and here you're gonna get that link for this book. You will connect it to your affiliate link, and then you'll just go to all these forums and paste that link over there saying, here is the best weight loss book that I found on earth, or something like that. And people are gonna stick to it and you're gonna make money. So they're gonna click on that link and they're gonna sign up for a free trial and you're gonna get $5. It's so easy. For every sign up, you're getting $5, and those people don't have to pay anything because it's a free trial, and that will increase the chances of people actually signing up. So $5 for each one of those is a great opportunity, guys. You must take advantage of it. And let's just say that you do this method for 1 hour a day. You don't have to be in that niche specifically. There are plenty of categories here. As you can see, hardware, cooking, there are plenty of recipes online as well. And there are some games, comics, any niche that you are interested in, you can make money on it. And if you do it for 1 hour a day, it's almost impossible that people won't click on that and sign up for that free trial on Audible. I'm 100% sure that 50 or 100 people would click on that every day, and you will make money. That's how I make money every day. It's very easy and it's very profitable because this is a great traffic source. There are plenty of people on these forums and everybody needs something like that. And because it's a free trial, they will click on that and use that free trial, whatever. They don't need to buy Audible afterwards. The only thing that matters is they click on it once and you're gonna make $5 on each one of those. So it's a win-win situation. It's a no-brainer for me. All you have to do is invest your free time and you're gonna make some serious amounts of cash. And one more thing I need to mention is once you put that link in all these forums, it is there forever. You don't have to come and paste it every day. When you put it once, it's there forever, and whenever someone comes to that forum and reads it, that's your potential customer. That's your potential affiliate, and that's your money. So guys, I don't know about you, but this is very great and it's very beginner friendly, and it's passive income. It's the best income there is. With that being said, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.